What's up, sis? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kensha and welcome. So sis, I have so much Bath and Body Works stuff that I need to organize. I got my fiance complaining, so I wanted to bring you guys along with me to organize this stuff. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright sis, so as you can see, your girl has a crap ton of Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret items. I have stuff in my bins and lotions and bags, a big box of stuff. It's somewhat organized to me. I actually didn't start off with all of this stuff in these boxes. I actually had them in our linen closet and it just wasn't looking the best, and so my fiance suggested that I get some shelving, so that's what I did. So yeah, I got some more stuff back here in boxes, more lotions and fragrances from Victoria's Secret, and then just more lotions and fragrances. So let's go ahead and get this organized, girl. Okay, so for my fine fragrance mist, I don't have a particular way that I'm gonna put these. I'm just gonna put these on the shelves, and then once I am done, then I will see what I want to move around. Okay guys, so for this third tier, I don't really have that many shower gels or lotions. I really love the body creams. So I'm going to see if I can split this in half, put half lotions and half body creams. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so maybe I have more shower gels than I thought. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this little gap here. I'm gonna see if maybe I can move some of them around a little bit and try to close in this gap, because this is where, right here is where my lotions end. So we'll see. So girl, I have found a solution to my lotions. I literally have them touching shoulder to fit in here. So now I'm just gonna move over my lotions. My shower gels. So I'm done with that. Now I just have these two body mist, 1,000 Christmas Wishes, and Magnolia Charm. I think I'm gonna move these over where the scents that I've been really gravitating towards section. So these are not gonna go up here, just in case you saw them sitting on the side. Now I have to figure out where to put my body butters. I think for the body butters, I'm just gonna sit them down here for now. Well, sit them up here. Well, let's do them down here. I'm so wish-washy. Let's sit them down here for now. I think that looks pretty good. I just need one more lotion to sit right here. This empty space is going to bother the heck out of me. Okay, so for this crate right here, I'm going to put my Victoria's Secret stuff in it. So let's get started. Alright, sis, so this is going to be the completion of everything. On top, I just have some Victoria's Secret fragrance mist on top. I have some minis and a Bath and Body Works mini on top as well. Down below, I have my body mist from Victoria's Secret. This actually probably needs to be on top. Let's put that down there. Making last minute changes. Down here I have my lotions from Victoria's Secret and my mini lotions from Victoria's Secret as well. Moving right along to the star of the show. On top is all of my Bath and Body Works body mist. I wouldn't say this is all. I do have another section in my room where I keep the current products that I'm using, or the products that I'm kind of gravitating more towards. In another section, I will show you guys that. Here are all of the body creams, and on bottom we have the lotions on this section, and then the body washes and 2 body butters and a scrub in the back. So yeah, this is it, guys. Let's see if I can. This is it. Alright, guys, so this is where I keep all of the products that I'm currently working on or that I've been gravitating towards. So this is everything that is already organized, in my opinion, that I've, like I said, been gravitating towards. So this is literally the rest of my collection. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.